This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by configuring controls and badge loadout so the mechanic behaves predictably. First, make sure your shot timing and stick sensitivity match how you move. Then, practice a simple dribble. Sprint, quick stop with left stick, hold for a beat, explode again. Once done, mix in a jab or between legs to disguise intent. Doing this trains muscle memory. Make sure to record reps and adjust badge levels if the burst feels weak. This is step 1 of the sequence. Now you refine timing and body control. As you approach the defender, accelerate and tap the left stick into a hard but controlled stop. This shifts momentum and freezes their closeout. Hold that pause for 1 beat, enough to bait a commit, then immediately flick toward the rim to regain speed. Use right stick dribble moves or R2/RT to shield the ball and prevent strips, and vary the fade or step back exit so defenders can't predict whether you'll shoot or drive. Finish the play by reading the defender. If they overcommit, attack the rim for a layup or euro. If they stay back, step back or pull a float. Make sure your badge tiers support the burst. Upgrade contact/quick first step badges for reliability. If the move fails, slow down practice reps to isolate whether it's timing, animation lock, or controller dead zone. Recalibrate sensitivity as needed. 1 key troubleshooting tip: reduce stick sensitivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.